Hello everyone, welcome to Kishore Tech Solutions. Today I'm going to start a full course of cloud and DevOps. Now let's discuss about the AWS cloud. What is AWS? AWS is the Amazon Web Services and it is a cloud and it's providing by the Amazon and it is a trending cloud in the market. When you are trying to learn any cloud, then focus on their strengths. Currently, AWS is really good and best, but not in the all services. We have the three trending clouds in the market. One is AWS, Azure, and GCP. Google Cloud has a Hadoop clusters and big data. So if you are running any Hadoop clusters or any big data, then blindly you can choose GCP. Coming to strengths of AWS, is a public cloud infrastructure. Earlier, everyone is carrying like memory cards and pen drives. Now, Amazon also providing the replacement of your organization. We can use virtual servers for application DB by using the cloud platforms. Example, compute, storage, databases. They are very strong in AWS. And AWS is trying to strong at hybrid clouds also. It means some of the servers available in your office and some are in cloud. Already Azure is providing very good and Amazon also providing, but it's trying to give more best in the hybrid clouds also. Why everyone is choosing AWS? First customer of Amazon Web Services is Amazon only because they will test their services in their applications only. First, they will create some applications and they will test in their service servers. I mean, Amazon Prime or Amazon Shopping websites. So they have the lot of websites are there. So they will test in their self first. And you may need to know two things. One is services and one is resources. What is service and what is resource? What we are creating, those are the resources. I mean, if you are creating any EC2 instance in AWS, that is resource because that is created by yours. And Amazon is providing some services. Those are the services. And you may have the doubt which cloud I want to know. We have the currently three trending clouds. One is AWS, GCP, and Azure. Currently, AWS is handling the 45% of share market in the job sector, and Azure have the 40%, and GCP have the 10% market, and now it is growing well. And remaining 5% is occupying by the remaining clouds, that is Alibaba or Oracle Cloud or IBM Cloud. So based on your interest, you can able to learn. So my suggestion is if you want to learn multiple clouds, that is AWS or Azure, you can able to apply the nearly 85% of the jobs you are eligible to apply. So my suggestion is you can learn multiple clouds to apply more jobs. And we will go to infrastructure of the AWS. Here you can able to see the infrastructure. This is we have the 34 launch regions are there, and each with multiple availability zones. And totally we have the 108 availability zones are there in AWS. So these are the AWS data centers. So we can able to see in India we have the two data centers. One is Hyderabad and one is Mumbai. Hyderabad it is recently launched and 2 years back ago, that is Hyderabad data center, and you can able to see here availability zones. What is availability zones and what is the use of that? If any floods came in one of location, that means availability zone. So we can access the application from using another availability zone. Amazon have their own network from under the sea. Even Azure and GCP have also they have own network. Even Facebook also trying to create their own network. And it has the communication between the every data centers by using the network cables under the sea. Next, I will going to create an Amazon EC2 instance. So what are the pre-requirements to create an EC2 service? First, we need one Amazon account. In your offices, you should log in as a IAM user, not as the root user. Just now I accessed the Amazon account. So these are the regions. We can able to see we have the multiple regions are there. And these are the account. So account ID. Everyone have the different account ID with unique name, with unique ID. And now you can able to see the all services here. So by search, we can able to see the EC2 instance. Anyway, I have opened the EC2. For your improvement, I am showing the EC2. So here you have the button launch instance. Click on launch instance. Here you should give the some name for identification. I am giving the launch. And next you want to choose the AMI image. I am choosing the Ubuntu image. Here you can able to see the different type of AMIs are there. There I am choosing the Ubuntu 24.04 version. That is a free type. You can choose the architecture. That is ARM or x86. You can choose your requirement. And T2 instance type. You can able to see here lot of types are there. You can able to see or select based on your requirement. I am selecting one CPU and one memory. Here key pair. I am going to create a new key pair. That is PEM key. I am selecting here. Name I am giving the launch. Create key pair. Now it will download the key pair. Here already it's downloaded. On network, I'm going to change any network. So in your offices, so you should use your virtual private network. Here you need to configure everything. Here I am giving the default network. And storage also, you need to choose how much storage you need to give. And you need to add volume. Advanced details, it is not required. You can leave this. Here you can able to see the how many number of instances you want. I'm giving one instance. Here you can able to see, here I have given the T2 micro and storage 1 GB, one volume 8 GB. And now you can check launch instance. Now you can click launch instance. Now it's available. I have given the launch. So we can able to see here launch. After you created an EC2 instance, here instance state is pending. After 1 minute, it will become running. So I want to explain something here. Select that EC2 instance and here instance ID. This is the ID of your EC2 instance. This is the public IP and private IP. In the networking class, I will explain about the IP addresses. This is the subnet ID and you can able to see here everything here. Image name, I mean AMI name, status and alerts. In the CloudWatch, if you are going to monetization, then you can able to configure with CloudWatch. And monitoring, here you can able to see how much CPU and network. These are the details of information of your EC2 instance. While you are launching or while you are accessing the instance, you can able to see here graphs will be the increase. And security. Here security, click on security group. And here you need to change the edit inbound rules. So automatically SSH is opened and I am going to create another rule. So all TCP I have given. So this is the port range, and here this is the CADR blocks. I am giving the 0. So anyone can able to access this port numbers. So here click on save rules. So this is the information you can able to check in the security groups. And next here we can able to see networking. So public IP, private IP, everything you can able to see about the networking details. Storage. Here which storage is assigned. Here root device is SDA1 and root device type is EBS. So you can able to see it is the attached device for my EC2 instance. So this type of information you can able to see. Here I have given the launch. So next question, you have a question how to access this application. Click on connect and copy this. You can able to open the Git bash. So where your PEM file is there. My PEM file is there in downloads. So I'm switching into downloads directory. Right click and paste. Now it will trying to connect with my EC2 instance. Now you can able to see IP is 172.31.37. Now this is the my EC2 instance. I will check EC2 instance. You can able to see here 172.31.37. Same IP I have connected, and might be you have a question. I need a connection with the different ways. So I will choose with the VS Code. So just now it is opening the VS Code. Now you can see here, open a remote window. So you want to connect to host. So this is my host name. Already I have given earlier. So I don't want to change any host name. So it will not connect now. Close remote connection. So I want to connect again. Connect host. So configure SSH host. Before connecting to EC2 instance, I will change the configuration file. I have given the PEM file as a launch.pem. And here we need to give the IP address. I'm copying the public IP address. I'm giving the IP address in the configuration file, and make sure we need to check the launch.pem available under the SSH directory. So it is not there. I'm moving that file to SSH downloads. This is in download folders. I'm copying this file. The drive users Kishore SSH. Yeah, I am pasting here the launch.pem. So now I am again clicking on the remote connection, connect to host. This is my host, my EC2 instance. I have written already configuration file. I am going to connect to a host. My EC2 instance, that is my host name. And you can able to see here in the left side is going to connect with my EC2 instance. Now it is asking, do you want continue? Yeah. Now it is downloading the VS Code server. Now you can able to see here, it is in my EC2 instance host. If I am clicking on terminal, new terminal, here you can able to see my IP address. So this is my IP address 172.31.237. We will check here. This is the private IP address. So now finally you have connected to the EC2 instance in Windows and Big Bash also. If you like this content, please subscribe, like and share this video.